Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn appreciation of the poem The World Is Mine. Before that, I request you to subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon. Therefore, you will be notified as soon as I upload a new video. Appreciation of the poem The World Is Mine. First point, title. The title of the poem is The World Is Mine. Second, poet or poetess. This poem is written by Joy Lowlett Crawford. Third point, rhyme scheme. Though this is free verse, there is different rhyme scheme in every stanza. First stanza, A A B C C. Second stanza, A B B C C D D. Third stanza, A A B B C C. Fourth stanza, A B B C C. Fourth point, favorite line. My favorite line is, I am blessed indeed, the world is mine. Next point, theme or central idea. The central idea of this poem is, we must be thankful about what we have, instead of complaining about the things that we don't have. If we focus on what is lacking in our life, we will miss the real happiness of the life. The speaker gives examples of a lame girl, a deaf boy and a blind boy, and describes beautifully how they were happy with what they have. Sixth, figures of speech. Alliteration, repetition, inversion, interrogation, onomatopoeia, apostrophe. These figures of speech are used in this poem. First, alliteration. And then I stopped to buy some sweets. The sound S is repeated. Second, repetition. Oh God, forgive me when I whine. This line is repeated 4 times in the poem. Third, inversion. Today on a bus, I saw a lovely girl with silken hair. The real order should be, I saw a lovely girl with silken hair on a bus today. Fourth, interrogation. Why don't you join the others, dear? The question is asked, not for answer. Fifth, onomatopoeia. Oh God, forgive me when I whine. Sixth, apostrophe. Oh God, give me when I whine. Here the speaker directly talking to an abstract object, that is God. Seventh point, special features. The World Is Mine is a free verse poem. It is a monologue. The language is very simple and straightforward. The tone is positive and full of gratitude. This poem has no implied meaning. Eighth point, why I like the poem. I like the poem because it gives a simple but powerful message. Be happy with what we have. Also, poem is very easy to understand.